Want to level up your home security in 2025? A smart door lock is more than a gadget, it's peace of mind. In this video, we'll break down the best smart door locks available today, based on security, features, ease of use, and price. Let's dive in. A smart door lock replaces your traditional key system with high-tech features like keyless entry, remote control via smartphone, biometric access, and integration with smart home systems. You can lock or unlock your door remotely, grant access to family or guests, and receive real-time alerts. Whether you're a homeowner, Airbnb host, or apartment dweller, a smart lock gives you control and visibility over who enters your space. It's especially helpful when you're away from home and need to let someone in. No more hiding keys under mats. Perfect for renters or those who want to keep their existing lock, the August Wi-Fi Smart Lock delivers power, convenience, and style. It's easy to install and compatible with most smart homes. The Level Lock Plus blends invisibility with innovation. It supports Apple Wallet keys, allowing a simple tap with your iPhone or Apple Watch to unlock the door. Known for reliability, the Yale Ultraloq 2 combines elegance with robust features. It's ideal for smart homes and frequent guest access. Schlage Encode Plus stands out with high security ratings and broad Smart Assistant compatibility. Its ANSI Grade 1 rating ensures serious protection. Need versatility? The Ultraloq U-Bolt Pro Wi-Fi offers multiple ways to unlock your door and advanced user management, ideal for busy households. When choosing a smart lock, consider connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or Z-Wave. Power, battery life and low battery alerts, security, ANSI Grade 1.5 and encryption, ease of installation. Retrofit versus full replacement, smart home integration. Alexa, Google, Apple. Smart locks bring modern convenience to your doorstep. Whether you prioritize security, style, or smart features, there's a perfect match for you. Which one will you choose? Details in the description box.